I am Dr. Ravi K.S, serving as Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering. With the help of Decibels Lab Private Limited, Bengaluru, the tutor can convey the EV concepts meticulously and in an easy manner, so that students will get hands-on exposure and learning will be easy for them, and they can gain some practical insights with respect to the EV concepts. Yeah, students gain some practical insights with respect to battery management system, EV powertrain, and they can analyze the data with the help of the infrastructure developed by Decibels Lab Private Limited. So after undergoing training on EV powertrain battery management system, students will get information and they can apply those information in the real world situation, and lifelong learning will happen. So with the support of Decibels Lab Private Limited and the equipments which they have set up in our lab, so even the concept which is very complicated, the students can learn without any problem, and hassle-free learning environment will be there for the students. I underwent training for 3 days, and the trainers from Decibels Lab Private Limited explained each and every concept thoroughly and meticulously. So we were able to have good understanding of the concepts. Both the theory and the practical sessions conducted by the Decibels were very meaningful, and we got practical exposure with regard to the EV technology. And nowadays, for students of Generation Z, so they love to learn the concepts with the help of projects. They love to learn the concepts by experiencing the lab setup. So definitely, since it is upcoming technology, students learn lot many concepts with help of the infrastructure. EV lab developed by Decibels Lab Private Limited helps the students to gain practical exposure, and they can build their career on EV technology. So students will learn about battery management system and EV powertrain and single cell BMS algorithm. So with the help of all this, they can build their career in the upcoming EV technology with confident and in a strong manner. Thank you.